Hello. In this session, we'll discuss the topic of fitting a parabola, its concept, and the formula. So, let us say that we are given with data of n set of pairs. Let's say x1, y1, x2, y2, and so on up to xn comma yn. And let us say that we have to fit a second degree parabola for the following data. To fit a second degree parabola, of course, for the following data already given here. So in that case, what we can do is we can assume that, let's say, there is an equation y which is given as a naught plus a1x plus a2x square. And with this, if we are assuming that this is the best fit, then of course there will be some error, and that error in respect to the actual point and the model can be given as ei equal to yi measured minus yi model, and this will be yi minus a naught plus a1 xi plus a2 xi square. So the first one is the actual value measured, whereas the second one is coming from the model which we have considered as the second degree parabola equation for the point of x equal to xi. Now, for this equation of y equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square to be best fit, we need that the error should be minimized. So let's say the criteria for best fit can be given as minimum of SR, which is actually minimum of the summation of the errors, as if we take only error that can be positive or negative, which can cancel out each other. So we'll just take the square of it and we'll try to minimize this. And for the variables which we have is a0, a1 and a2. Now this will be equal to minimum of a0, a1, a2 I equal to 1 n. The ei which we have already found, which is yi minus a0 minus a1 xi minus a2 xi square to the power of 2. Now using this equation and the understanding of calculus, which helps us to find the minimum of a function, we can try to find the condition which will help us to find the values of a0, a1 and a2. So this can be given as dsr over dA naught, which will equate to be 0. So this will be actually equal to, if we differentiate the given function with respect to a naught, we will get minus of 2 times of summation of I equal to 1 to n, the function yi minus a naught minus a1 x1 and minus a2 x1 square equal to 0. Similarly, differentiating with respect to a1 and equating it to 0, we will have minus of 2 times of summation I equal to 1 to n yi minus a naught minus a1 xi minus a2 xi square times of xi equal to 0. And similarly, dsr over da2 will be equal to minus of 2 times of summation of I equal to 1 to n, the function yi minus a naught minus a1 xi minus a2 xi square whole multiplied with xi square equal to 0. So these are the conditions which will be used to find the variables a1, a0 and a2. And using these conditions, we can form the equation which is known as the normal equation, and of course that will be the equation which will be used to find the constants here. So let us see what are the normal equations in that case. These are normal equations are given as n times of a0 plus a1 times of summation of x plus a2 times of summation of x square equal to summation of y. Similarly, the second equation will be a0 times of summation of x plus a1 times of summation of x square plus a2 times of summation of x cube equal to sum of the product xy. And the third equation will be a0 times of summation of x square plus a1 times of summation of x cube plus a2 times of summation of x to the power of 4, and this will be equal to sum of x square times of y. So we can see that this will be linear equations, three equations for three variables, that is a0, a1 and a2, and we can definitely solve this simultaneous equation in different manners. So solving these simultaneous equations using many methods, we have got elimination, linear methods, Cramer's rules, any other method possible. We can get the value of a0, a1, a2, and then we can form the second order parabolic equation for this n data is given, that will be y equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square. So these are the two important set of formulas which is required to find the parabolic equation for any of the given n datas. Thank you.